how to open apps in split screen multi-window on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down, and from here, tap on advanced features. Next, tap on multi-window, and at the top here, make sure you turn on swipe for split screen. Turn it on. Then whenever you want to open up an app in split screen, let's say I want to first open up my gallery, then what you want to do is at the bottom here, swipe with 2 fingers up like this, and then the first app will go to the top. At the bottom here, you can then open up the second app. So we are now in split screen multi-window. Now another way to do it is to open up your recent tabs, and in here touch and hold on the first app. At the top here, touch and hold on the icon, and that will bring you into multi-window mode. At the bottom here, you can then select another app, such as the phone app. So here at the top, I got the Play Store. The bottom, I got the phone app. Here I can tap on it to switch my multi-windows to the top or to the bottom. I can also favorite a pair. So tap on the star will allow me to favorite the multi-window pair, and then I can add it to my edge panel, or I can add it to my home screen. And if I want to close it, I can touch and hold on the horizontal bar here, swipe up to close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.